Okay, so here we are in New Mexico. We're getting ready to launch the rocket. The rocket. That's right. Go get her, Rox. Go get her. Go get her. There it is right there. There's the rocket. Look at Roxy. Look at Roxy go. Look at her. Oh, boy.
We take the gantry and we move it into the ground so it is stable.
Okay.
And so it's straight. How does it look? Pretty straight?
Yeah, yeah. Now, what frequency does this transmit on?
Yes, on 23.50 megacycles.
I see. Very good. Now, what's this that you're bringing out here?
Just to hold the
Oh, that's the launch equipment?
the switch. Just to
Okay.
hold the
Switch holder.
Yeah.
Here we are at the launch site. Wow. Roxy, go get your mother. Go get her. Go get her. Oh, she jumped over that. So this is Harry and Percy. We're in New Mexico, Demming, New Mexico, and we're going to launch this rocket. Harry, how are the winds going to affect this thing?
Well, they're light to variable right now, so it shouldn't have much of any bearing on it, really.
Okay,
We need to watch it. We'll chase it.
I see.
We'll chase it where it goes.
Where are we exactly? What's this area
This is
described as?
called the Demming Ranchette area.
The east side of the Florida
Demming
mountains.
Ranchette.
That's what they call it.
Ranchette because they trying to sell. This is private land that they try to sell all this.
Oh,
That's why they have a lot of crisscrossing road, and they have names.
Wow.
They have names each road, and it is just remote, like don't even make sense.
It's actually
Of the mountain range.
quite
Yeah.
pretty amazing, really.
Yeah.
You look over here, you have a basic Eskimo. Say hello.
There's our
Hello.
neighbor and our friend.
Jamai. Yeah, I
That's
see
their
them.
house there.
Yep.
This is their son's house.
Okay.
This one.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Harry, we have a
That's nice, huh? Just down the road.
Yeah.
we have a neighbor here, Harry,
Yep.
who's
Yeah, we called him Richard.
so that's Richard and Carol. They've come out to
Oh. So
view the terrain, view the liftoff.
it's starting to get better.
Now, if you look south here, you can see that some terrain way out in the distance. That is actually in Mexico. All of that terrain out there is pretty much across the border. Las Palomas.
Good
Be
weather.
outside. Yeah.
Good weather.
Roxy's just digging it on the side of the road here. Is there a 7-Eleven around here?
Jim. 40 miles that way.
Yeah.
Now, right now, Harry is arming the device. Are you?
I'll show you that picture.
Now that what kind of motor is that?
It's an
Okay.
F-15.6.
F-15.6.
Got a 6-second delay charge for the parachute ejection. So we're going to put the igniter into the rocket engine with the retainer.
Now
Okay.
you know how to do it. Yeah. Oh, where are you?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, here it is.
All right. So that goes in and that holds the igniter
In place.
in the base of the
Correct.
charge.
Did
Yeah.
he give it to you?
We take our
Yeah,
rocket
he did.
here.
Did I save it? I think I did.
Yeah, that
Oh,
one.
there it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will.
Just it's just one number.
Yeah, just
It's okay.
both
It's
together.
okay. This rocks.
very friendly.
It's okay.
Here's our
You look like it could be related with the coyotes.
coyotes. Yeah.
Richard.
She's
that's
part
Richard,
coyote.
and it's,
Lynn.
Lynn and Jim.
Lynn and Jim. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, just go say hello.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, she's a good girl. She loves the desert all over.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, we got a cold in our house, so.
What's happening now?
Well, we're going to take the rocket out here to the gantry. We're going to position it, and then after which we're going to attach the ignition system.
Okay.
This is silicone on this rod
Oh, I see. Okay.
to lessen the resistance,
Right, right.
get any corrosion that's on there off.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Roxy. She's so cute.
Right in the shade, man. Found that shade spot.
Yeah, she found a shade. A good one too.
I think Harry has lost his igniter.
No, I'm getting the...
He's got some sort of power pack there. I think that's to provide juice to the igniter.
Actually, Percy,
Yes.
come out here and take this stuff back more. We're too close.
Oh.
If it's gray, you can't see the puff of powder that he put in. Could you follow the,
These are very tense moments right now. Harry's actually going to hook up the cables to the igniter. This has to be done safely. You need some help?
No.
What I did is last time I tried to
Roxy, step back in case there's an explosion. Roxy, come here.
slow motion because you can't see it just poof gone. Oh. If you put in slow motion, you will just follow it and then it's just in slow motion is better. Especially when it takes off. And then after that, I can't follow it.
Roxy's exercising caution.
And then you just keep putting up that way. Where is it?
That's funny, yeah.
But the main thing is the very first one that when it left.
Okay.
Off, ignition off. Right. Astronomical fans, we're out here in the New Mexico desert again with our majestic rocket. And you can see it is majestic because it actually has the name Majestic on the side of the rocket. So once again, I took all precautions. I got the proper clearances from NASA. Werner von Braun's family has been advised. No copyright infringement or anything like that. So we're going to launch this rocket. We have a beautiful day here. We have a blue sky. It opened up, no cloud, and hopefully everything goes correctly and we get proper chute deployment and recovery of the rocket.
Now, what do you estimate the winds are in the direction of travel?
I estimate the winds are light to variable at this point. They're coming out of the southeast. You can barely feel it. So the amount of drift should be negligible. It should come down pretty close to where we launch it.
Okay.
And of course we have a beautiful blue sky, so we've got the contrast between the rocket and the sky and the deployment of the chute and the vapor trail, of course, that it will create during its ascent to apogee. So here we go. And we're going to start a count from 10, and then we shall enable ignition, and hopefully we will get a proper launch sequence.
Very good.
Wind is good. The area is clear. We shall start the count from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
At least it's a blue sky.
And we have a shoot. We definitely have a shoot.
Okay, it's coming down.
Directly south. Recovery, recovery.
Okay, I'm off for now.
Went up there good, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I kind of lost it because I was looking through the camera, but I think I got it. Roxy, what's that? What's that?
Yeah, this is a good place to launch it because it always comes down nice and soft, you know?
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, it goes so fast.
I was, you know, the wind shifted.
I know.
The wind shifted from to the north now.
It went up there good, didn't it?
To see it in the sun will.
It really went up. It almost seemed like it went further this time than last time.
No.
Okay, I need your help.
What?
Follow me. Okay,
You want me to hold it?
I want you to film, but I have to show you some things. Okay, so right now it's at 11.39, 40,
Yeah.
41. Oh, it's filming right now. Okay, well, right. So when you're done, you just hit the. Okay.
All right, Ross. Okay. I know, trying to keep up with it. Oh, I'm gonna change my shirt.
Look at that. Doesn't that look like a real plane? Isn't that the slowest thing in the world? It is. Yeah, he's really good at it.
It's so fast.
It is fast.
I'm going to bring it right at us.
Roxy, come out. Roxy.
It's all right, Ross. Uh-oh, is it dying?
You gonna bring it down? Looks like a bat.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, we're gonna come in and land.
All right.
Okay.
I'm trying to land at 100 miles an hour.
Oh, great. It's going to break it up, Jim.
You do that in the sand dunes.
Yeah.
Nose dive.
Oh,
Next to the rocket.
yeah, you should have.
Whoop.